The content on this channel is for informational and educational purposes only. Please contact a professional when it comes to your financial needs. A super shout out to WALB down in Tifton, Georgia. Thank you for sponsoring the Alzheimer's Awareness Week. In this family, we do not fight alone. Thank you now for organizing and sponsoring, getting us all together for a good cause. Today, we're going to run down this week that was in crypto, and it was rough. Well, the market is doing what the market does whenever tariffs and 100% tariffs of that are being levied against a particular country, in this case being China, by the United States. Whenever these words happen, it has an immediate effect, not just on the broader stock and bonds market, but on crypto as well. And the problem that I'm seeing here is that the standard bearers, the Dow and NASDAQ, they are both just becoming just as volatile as cryptocurrency with all of these interruptions and interferences with business as usual. I don't think we get back to business as usual under the current flow of things, the current leadership. It's just not going to happen. What you have to do, what we all have to do, is figure out a ways to make it work for us. This is all we can do. Um, you make sure you're setting your stop losses in your um, buy limit orders. I think that's the only way to go at this point, so that when these drops happen, you're positioning yourself so that you're not losing everything with that drop and having to start back over from square one. Make sure you're going through each one of those videos that I put out. The Kraken, the Gemini videos, and the Uphold videos. Just make sure you're doing your due diligence to make sure you're weathering these storms as they're being thrown against you. Now, in terms of stock market, I do not know how we've gotten to the point where a simple tweet will cost 1,000 points on the Dow Jones. This is something that's going to have to be studied long after the current administration is finished doing what it is doing. Now, just in case you are new to the channel and you don't know what I'm talking about when it comes to limit orders and stop losses, I'm going to go ahead and place each one of these videos that you see on the screen right now in the description section of this very video. So you have one place to go ahead and click and brush up on how you do these things, so that when these volatile actions occur, you're not stuck trying to figure out how to set it up. It ought to be set up so that if it happens while you're sleeping, you're cool, because the order will go ahead and process on the different exchanges that we're listing here. Make sure you also click on those links for me, the affiliate links, if you're going to make any trades on those things. That'll help out the channel very much. I do not have any donation markers up yet. I don't think I'm going to be able to do that anytime soon. But I would love to keep bringing this information to you. Make sure you go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. I'm going to keep these videos again on the screen right now, make links to them so that you can easily access them instead of having to go search through the channel. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you very, very soon.